Rule number 2, start door knocking around the house. Now the consensus is, print lots of flyers, knock around 100 doors. What I do is, I knock as many doors as I can every day. I spend about hour and a half knocking around doors around the house, where I'll be doing an event of an open house. It's very simple. Print a half-page flyer. No need to waste paper. No need to waste any other resources. Print half a page of flyer. Start knocking on doors. Let people know. Hey, we're doing an open house event. Just going around, inviting the neighbors over. No need to jump into the details. No need to give them all those stats that nobody understands and nobody really cares. Honestly though, people can't even remember your name when you first meet them, and you expect them to capture and remember all the market data you throw at them. Get that out of the way. Number 2, second point to talk about. Once you've told them that you're doing an open house event, just ask them if they know of anybody from their friends or family who's interested in buying a home in your region generally. Now the way, I gotta check if somebody's coming as well. Now, generally, the way I've phrased it is because, first of all, if you just ask them if somebody's interested in buying or selling, people assume that you're talking about a specific home. You want to get that idea out of the way and let them know it's about your area or city in general. Secondly, when you say friends or family or somebody from within their social circle, try to break that down a little bit for them. Why? When you just say friends or family, they think on the top and then they say no. But if you break it down, hey, somebody who just got married, moving into town, moving out of town, somebody from the church, family, choir, school, PTA. Now, I'm not saying say all of those, but ideas. That way, it'll help them think in depth more. Last point to touch with them. Do you think you'll be ready to make a move anytime soon? Boom, that's it. And if you end up having a good conversation, get their contact information, get their address, send them an handwritten thank you note. Move on. So you've taken care of advertising yourself for the event. Now, step number 3. Plan ahead for the event. Have enough signs, generally between 12 to 15. Get some snacks. Now, one thing I like to recommend with open house signs is put up something that makes the sign, stand out. Could be balloon, could be a flag, could be a light on the stand, with a frame, an open house sign. But it has to be recognizable. When you're driving on the road, more often than not, people end up missing it. How do I know this? If somebody comes in, I ask them, how did they find out about my open house? And it's 50-50. Some of them find it online, others find it through my open house signs. How? Because I'm making them stand out. Last but not least, like I've shared, have some snacks out. Be knowledgeable about the house. Doesn't matter if you're a listing agent, doesn't matter if you're just helping somebody out. Be knowledgeable. Square footage, why it's on the market, how long it's been on the market, what's the price per square foot, where's the bathroom, where's the bedroom, where's the garage, is it occupied, is it vacant, how interested the seller is. If you don't have this information,